In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a space in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can collaborate smoothly with your team. Before we start, a quick note on what a space is. In Capcut, a space is a shared workspace where teams keep projects, media, and brand assets together. Joining the right space gives you access to collaborative editing and shared libraries, so it's ideal for teams, clients, or classrooms. Make sure you're signed into the correct Capcut account and that your app or browser is up to date for the best experience. Begin by opening Capcut on your computer or in your browser. Give it a moment to load and confirm you're on the Home or Project screen. If you manage multiple accounts, glance at your profile avatar to be sure you're using the one associated with the space you want to join. A quick account check can save troubleshooting later. Next, head to Settings. Look for a gear icon, typically in the top right corner. Click it to open your account and application settings. If your interface looks a little different, the gear may be tucked under your profile menu, but the wording will still be Settings. This is where Capcut centralizes options related to your account, storage, and collaboration. Inside Settings, find and select Manage Spaces. This section is dedicated to everything related to spaces, what you belong to, what you own, and any invitations attached to your account. It's the control center for organizing how you collaborate. Take a second to scan the list so you recognize your personal workspace versus any shared team environments. Now, choose Join Spaces. This opens the Join flow where Capcut checks for invitations linked to your account. If your team has already invited you, you'll typically see the space name and a prompt to confirm. Just follow the on-screen guidance from here. If nothing appears, that usually means you need an invitation from a space admin. Ask them to send one to the same account you're currently signed in with to avoid conflicts. Once you've joined, the space will show up in your workspace switcher and inside Manage Spaces. Switch into it to access shared projects and libraries. From here on, edits you make in that space are saved for everyone with the right permissions. If you don't see the space immediately, refresh Capcut or sign out and back in. Also, confirm you're using the correct account and that your admin has granted the appropriate role. That's it. Open Capcut, go to Settings, select Manage Spaces, and click Join Spaces. You're ready to collaborate with your team inside Capcut.